Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Git and GitHub. Git is a distributed version control system that tracks changes in your code over time, allowing you to manage different versions and collaborate effectively with others. GitHub is a cloud-based platform that hosts Git repositories, making it easy to share code and work together on projects. Together, they form the essential foundation of modern software development workflows. Version control systems are essential tools that record changes to files over time. They allow you to revert to previous versions when something goes wrong, compare changes across different versions to see what has been modified, and collaborate with others without overwriting each other's work. You can also track who made specific changes and when they were made. Git is the most popular version control system today, used by millions of developers worldwide for both individual projects and large team collaborations. To get started with Git, first download it from gitscm.com and follow the installation prompts for your operating system. You can verify the installation by running git version in your terminal. To set up a new repository, create a project directory, navigate into it, and run git init. This creates a hidden .git directory that tracks all changes. Don't forget to configure your user identity with git config commands, as this information will be attached to your commits. The three essential Git commands form the core workflow. Git add stages your changes, moving them from your working directory to the staging area. You can add specific files or use git add dot to stage all changes. Git commit saves your staged changes to the local repository with a descriptive message. Finally, Git push uploads your commits to a remote repository like GitHub, making them available to others. This workflow ensures your changes are tracked, documented, and shared effectively. To use GitHub effectively, first, create an account and set up SSH keys for secure authentication. Create a repository on GitHub. Then link your local repository using git remote add origin. Push your code with git push origin main. For successful collaboration, follow these best practices. Commit often with clear, descriptive messages. Always pull the latest changes before pushing your own. Use branches for new features. And write meaningful commit messages that explain what and why you changed something. This workflow enables seamless collaboration among team members.